Hi, welcome back to another Badfish Garage. I'm Johnny.
I'm Tim.
And today we're going to go over how to change your windshield wipers.
Yep, when it rains, you're gonna want them.
Okay, so the first one we're going to go over is called the J-hook, which is what you'll find mostly on modern cars today. So Tim, tell us about the J-hook a little bit.
All right, so the J-hook is, I went ahead and peeled this back. It's exactly what it says. It's a little arm here, and then you just take your windshield wiper, you push it towards the arm, and then you pull it off, and it actually makes a J. And that is all you need to do to pull them off. Some are more stubborn than that one. That one came off pretty easy. Sometimes they'll put up a fight. But when you have your new one, you just take it, you put your arm right in there, and then you just push it in, pull it towards the outside, and you'll hear it click like we just did, if you caught that. This particular one has a fold over, but not all of them do, and then you're good to go.
Yeah, and I can say for certain when I changed these, they were a little bit ornery to try and get off. They took some force.
You can tell they've been changed recently, so they were easy on and off.
Yeah. All right, next we're going to go over one that you commonly find on 80s and 90s cars, especially GM.
This is what's known as a pin style. So as the name suggests, it actually has a pin that goes up right through the middle there. And so if we look at this one here that hasn't been installed, they have the holes in them right there, and that's where the pin goes through. Unlike the last vehicle we looked at, this one has been on for a minute, so it might fight us. And yep, you know, a little bit of force isn't going to hurt these, although I could probably be gentler. There we go, and now it's off.
Yeah.
Now that that one's off, we'll take the one we just got, the new one, we'll compare it. It is exactly 16-inch as it said in the manual. And then we can take it. We'll take the hole right there. We'll make sure that it goes through. Had to line up that and the little piece in here for the J-hook setups, because these are all kind of universal. And then we'll take it. We'll put it right through, and that's installed.
Very nice. Very easy too. Are those pretty reliable when it comes to possibly flinging it off or anything like that?
The pin style is great. The J-hook style is even better, which is why most modern cars have them. Certain older styles, like bayonet style or a pin hook, I've had those come off. I used to have an '83 Nissan Sentra with the bayonet, and in a rainstorm, I lost my windshield wipers. That was fun. It was great. It was on the way to work.
Yeah.
Well, we talked about the J-hook. We talked about the pin style. And so now we've got Johnny in here on the Valiant with the bayonet style. And it's with older cars. And Johnny, you want to talk about it?
Yeah, sure. So the bayonet style is pretty easy. What you've got is basically a little pin down here that you put some pressure on with your fingernail and then just pull it off, just like that. And then to replace it, you just pop it back on. Now, I'm not sure if you actually replace the little metal piece or not, or what, I'm not quite sure. But it seems like this would just come off and be replaceable. So your results may vary.
So the Valiant showed us the bayonet style, but now we're over here to the darling of the channel, the Imperial with the mystery style.
Yeah.
Johnny?
We're not quite sure what's going on here, to be honest. There's a thing, and it comes kind of out here, and you put it through this thing, and then it says on here, press to refill, and this one will come off. But this one, if you'll notice right here, has these little tabs that completely lock it from moving or anything. But there's still a tab that it looks like to release it. So I have no clue what's going on. If any of you know how to change these style of windshield wipers, please let me know in the comments, because I would really like to get new windshield wipers on this thing if we're going to drive it, especially. I mean, it's a nice weather car. There's no roof on it, so there's no way we're going to drive it in the rain. But you know, just to have working windshield wipers is probably a good idea. So if any of you guys know or girls know out there, please let me know in the comments.
Yeah, any help would be appreciated. Everybody loves a good mystery.
Oh yeah. Now you've seen how to change a couple of styles of windshield wipers, ranging from current to way back in the day.
Yeah, these are just the ones we had on hand. There are other types out there, but this is a general guide that will, cover most vehicles.
Yeah, many, many more out there. So keep sharp. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Like and subscribe if you like the content. We're up to 74 subscribers now. It's going really good. So
Oh, yeah.
anyway, take care of yourselves and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.